gonna just leave this gum right here. This is what I'm gonna do. Watch your head. It's over here. I don't press. Yay!
Yay!
You got bubblegum!
You got it!
You got bubblegum!
You got it! You got it!
Is that way too bright for your little bitty eyes?
That's good.
They're little big. I got big eyes, Mommy. Okay, don't just stick that all the way in your mouth. Should we toss it over there so you have to go get it? Because, Mommy, I worked so hard. Don't stick that all the way in your mouth. He looks like he's paralyzed.
You're doing good.
You gotta learn to move your feet. And move your legs.
You got it!
Yay!
You got it! You got it!
Make sure it doesn't stick out.
Don't put that all in your mouth, Papa.
Just leave the end up. Uh-oh. Did Daddy throw that away from you?
So close. Yeah. You got it!
Don't roll that way, you're gonna hit your head.
You got it!
Hey, no.
You like it?
Alright, that's hey. It's a little too much sugar for you, Poobers. Watch your head.
Hooray!
You're gonna be tired with that, huh? Say, oh, Mommy, I'm exhausted.